Are you ready for an unforgettable adventure? Join us as we explore the beauty of Sri Lanka, a tropical paradise just a stone's throw away from India. In this video, we will take you on a thrilling journey from Negombo to Dambulla, showcasing the country's rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and incredible wildlife. Get ready to fall in love with Sri Lanka. After an early morning flight from Kolkata, we had a stopover at Hyderabad before proceeding from Hyderabad to Colombo. We begin our journey from Colombo to Negombo, a charming coastal town with a rich history and stunning beaches. From there, we head to the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage, a must-visit attraction. Watch as we get up close and personal with these majestic creatures and learn about the conservation efforts in place to protect them. Finally, we make our way to Dambulla, home to the famous Golden Temple. So sit back and relax and get ready to explore Sri Lanka with us. On reaching the airport, we meet Indika and Harsha, our friends for the next 13 days.
From the airport, we have come to the Negombo city, and this is the first church that we see in the Negombo city. The majority of the population at Negombo are Christians, and today is the Independence Day of Sri Lanka. Hence, there are many school children in the church campus. Beautiful place.
Negombo is a vibrant coastal town located just 37 kilometers north of Sri Lanka's capital, Colombo. It is often one of the first stops for travelers arriving in Sri Lanka due to its proximity to the international airport. Negombo has a rich colonial history, particularly influenced by Portuguese and Dutch settlers. Known for its rich history, scenic beaches, and laid-back atmosphere, Negombo is a popular destination for those looking to enjoy a peaceful seaside escape. It is a great spot for those looking to unwind after a flight or before embarking further into exploring Sri Lanka.
These are old Dutch canals used for fishing.
We are inside the Sasha food court at Negombo. We are waiting for our breakfast here, and there's a beautiful ceiling fan which is a unique feature. This place is really nice with a lot of options on food. There's this Sri Lankan breakfast, there is bakery, and there are continental options on the other side. On our way to Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage.
Today we covered two climate zone. It's dry zone and wet zone. This is a wet zone. Sigri is the dry zone. Yala is the super dry zone. And we are going to the Yala next. After finish. Dry zone means no trees, but everywhere is brown color. Brown. The elephant is going to here. This road is for the river. This road is for the river. This is the elephant orphanage.
We have reached the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. We are going to buy the tickets first. Now the charges are $20 for adults. We are finally inside the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. The Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage was established in 1975 with the aim of providing a safe haven for orphaned and injured elephants. It's home to over 80 elephants, including babies, adults, and even a few endangered species. The staff works tirelessly to nurse them back to health, and many of these elephants are eventually released into the wild when they are strong enough. Visitors can witness the elephants interacting with one another, bathing, and eating. Pinnawala works to raise awareness about the importance of preserving elephants in Sri Lanka. Through breeding programs and rehabilitating injured elephants, it plays a critical role in the country's wildlife preservation. So we have the elephants bathing in the river, and there's an interesting thing. It was initially looking like rocks, but apparently the elephants are sitting inside the water. You can just see the trunks coming out. Here they are. The elephant bathing session is the daily highlight of this area in the nearby Mahaoya River, where the elephants are escorted for a swim. It is an amazing opportunity to see the elephants in a natural, free-flowing environment. A visit to Pinnawala is truly a once in a lifetime experience where you not only enjoy seeing these majestic animals up close but also contribute to their well being and conservation efforts.
This is the rubber plantation of Sri Lanka.
It's a tropical country. The jackfruit also tropical fruits. In Sri Lankan people, jackfruit we will eat by raw and cook. Yesterday you are staying in the coastal area. They have a fishermen. Lanka, coastal area people they do the job. It's a fishing. Okay, middle of the country they are do some many farming. Sri Lanka has four type of the weather areas. Okay, then now you are going to dry zone. Dry zone area has a dry zone vegetables. Okay, wet zone has a wet zone vegetable. The dry zone vegetable mean cucumber, ladies fingers, brinjal, like this. Okay, wet zone vegetable leeks, carrot, beetroot.
Similar in our
Yeah, also similar. Yes.
We have stopped for a king coconut stop
had a quick lunch at the Athulya restaurant in Dambulla.
We are at Dambulla Cave Temple. Going towards the ticket counter to purchase the ticket.
The Dambulla Cave Temple, also known as the Golden Temple of Dambulla, is one of Sri Lanka's most remarkable UNESCO World Heritage Sites and a must-visit destination for anyone traveling through the island. Located in the central part of Sri Lanka, this ancient complex is famous for its stunning rock temples, rich history, and breathtaking Buddha statues. The Dambulla Cave Temple dates back to the 1st century BC, making it over 2000 years old. The Dambulla Cave Temple is set on top of a hill, offering spectacular views of the surrounding landscapes, including lush greenery, rice fields, and nearby rock formations. The ascent to the caves requires climbing a series of steps, but the effort is well worth for the views and the chance to experience the sacred site up close. Dambulla is home to more than 150 Buddha statues in various postures, some of which are gigantic. The most famous one is the reclining Buddha statue in Cave 1, which measures over 14 meters in length. The surrounding murals depict scenes from Buddha's life, showcasing remarkable artistry that remains vivid over centuries. It was originally a place of refuge for King Valagamba, who sought shelter in the caves after being exiled. Later, it became a significant religious site and the caves were transformed into a complex of Buddhist shrines. The temple complex consists of 5 main caves that are carved into a large rock outcrop. Each cave contains intricate artwork, statues, and murals. These caves are divided into 2 main sections, the lower and upper caves. Some of the caves are adorned with vibrant frescoes, including depictions of Buddha's life, while others house towering Buddha statues and images of various deities. The murals and sculptures at Dambulla are among the best preserved examples of ancient Sri Lankan art and culture, offering a glimpse into the country's Buddhist history.
The format of this cave is similar to that of the Ajanta. The exquisite work on the ceiling was done mostly through reflected sunlight. The Buddhas are exquisitely well preserved. The preservation work is also very beautifully done.
3 things have to be kept in mind while visiting the Dambulla cave. Be prepared for a climb of around 350 to 400 steps to reach the caves, so wear comfortable footwear. As it is a religious site, it's important to dress modestly. Make sure your shoulders and knees are covered before entering the temple. And finally, early morning or late afternoon is the best time to avoid the midday heat and crowds. The lighting during these times also makes the temples and surrounding scenery look even more stunning. This is cave 3, which is a comparatively new one. So the colors here are a little different from what we have seen in the first two caves. A little brighter, but that can be a result of restoration as well. Each one has a statue of the sleeping Buddha, like the Ajanta caves again, and exquisite paintings on the ceilings. These are exquisitely well lit, but again, this is a comparatively modern one. So the colors are like really beautiful and bright. This is the fifth cave and the newest of the lot. Small correction here. The caves number 1, 2 and 4 are the oldest, but because 4 was so well preserved, we thought that it is one of the newer ones, but understandably there is a great restoration work that has happened in 4. If you look at the ledge of the rock, it is very similar to the one in Ajanta. Usually the cave paintings were done through the reflection of the sunlight on a water body. I'm not sure how old this pond is, but it may have been used for this purpose. An evening walk in the park. The Dambulla rock cut temple, an exquisite sight that we have seen today.
Subscribe for more travel adventure and tips on exploring the world from India. After an eventful first day, we proceeded to our homestay in Sigiriya. Hope to meet you soon in the next episode to the Sigiriya Lion Rock.
This is our family room at Latika Homestay in Sigiriya.